Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make a Trello account, so let's get right into it. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is go to Trello.com, and you'll arrive at this landing page. Once you're here, what you need to do is click on Get Trello for Free at the top right. Now, once you click on here, as you can see, you have a couple of different options for registering an account. You can continue with Google, Microsoft, Apple, or Slack, or you can enter your email and then enter a password. Once you enter your email, you'll be asked to make a password. You might be even asked for some other login information. I'm not sure. I created my account with Google, so you can easily just click Google and then confirm that it is your account. If you're logged in, it'll automatically confirm it. Then you'll need to authorize it, give it permissions that it asks for, and then once you do that, your Trello account will be set up. Once you do that, you'll be landing on the Trello page in your workspace with a board set up, or you could set up your own. It'll ask you to set up one immediately. If you don't want to, you can always skip, but that is pretty much it. It's very easy to make, pretty much just like registering to any other site. So yeah, pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.